हेलो सर, आई वाज जस्ट सेइंग दैट ये सब सेम दिख रहे हैं बट इनका साइज डिफरेंट है बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब ये बहुत छोटा है, इसमें अलग कुछ पार्ट्स है। Yep.
All right. Okay. So different products हैं Ajashi Engineering, as you know, we have been doing. So lighting towers हैं, welding machines हैं. So what you're seeing here is our MLT. So basically we call it mobile lighting tower. So mobile lighting tower is basically 3.5 kVA, and this is a special one because we can call it our export model क्योंकि ये basically Kohler या अभी इसका Ralco नाम हो गया. So this comes with a Ralco engine. This has an NSM Italy alternator. तो उसके अंदर alternator भी बाहर का है, and then this comes with a deep sea controller. And Sujit, can you open this? Yes. So this is the deep sea controller. So deep sea controller is basically made in UK. तो उस हिसाब से this is a kind of a complete yes, it is UK made. So this is a truly international product. हम इंडिया में भी इसको परस्यू कर रहे हैं, लेकिन we are looking at exports. Right now you see 10 units are being made ready. They are going to UAE. यहाँ पे अगर हम देखेंगे, this is our workhorse. हमारा normal lighting tower comes with Eicher TMTL engine, और इसके अंदर 7.5 kVA का ऑल्टरनेटर है, उसमें 3.5 kVA का था. So this has bigger alternator. This is for Indian sites, Indian engine, Eicher TMTL. इसके अंदर जो ऑल्टरनेटर है, that also comes from CG और Leroy Somer. So this is basically the basic lighting tower what we are doing it in India. So this is one, this is two. If we just go there now, these are our diesel welding machines. So we are known for diesel welding machines in India. This is Weldstar 400S. So this is basically 15 kVA setup, and this has one welding machine inside, 400 amps. And if you see that one, the bigger one, 35 kVA. Now this is 35 kVA with two 400 amps welding machines inside. And the beauty of these two products is that they can become DG. अगर हम change over करेंगे तो complete 15 kVA और complete 45 kVA that comes out as a power. और हम इसको अगर change over करेंगे तो ये double holder diesel welding machine बन जाएगा, ये single holder diesel welding machine बन जाएगा. And for all these products, for 1 year, 1000 hours, customers do not have to pay us anything for service, for maintenance, nothing. So for 1000 hours, for 1 year, customers just need to put fuel, and rest everything will be taken care by us at site. I hope it is clear.